Full branding I'm doing.
I asked him that what is the story behind this T-shirt, and he said that I'm not going to discuss that before the podcast. So now is the time for you.
Branding. I think it's very important to have a little bit of branding. People told me that, so one part of branding that I like is I used to carry around, what do you call these? Cards. My professional cards.
Okay.
Business cards.
Yeah.
People told me that it was outdated and that, why am I wasting so much money and all of that.
Yeah.
And I was like, maybe it is outdated, but I would always remember that whenever my dad used to come home, he used to get these cards from his representatives and he used to keep them. It's not that he would throw them away, but he would always keep them. So this was from growing up. So I always felt that business cards, see, you're going to spend maybe 1,000 rupees on making those business cards. But even if one person comes back, one person remembers that you've given them that card and how you've behaved, how you talked, and he comes back to you with a job, with that card, it's worth it.
Yeah.
Even one person. So, and it has happened to me that a lot of people, not just one or two people, but a lot of people have actually remembered that I've given them business cards and have come back to me with work. Like, I actually, even today, I carry like a card, this thing with my business cards.
All right.
Just in case I have to, give to people. See? I don't know. It's so this was about branding. So this T-shirt was also that whenever I would go for shoots, which were my own shoots, that to have Karthik's pictures, to have there, to just be there.
I'll tell you the whole mentality. So when we were moving to this new place, we were selecting these packers and movers. So there were basically two who were rating very well, and we saw one with all their employees with T-shirts of their brand, and the other one did not have that, and we selected the one which were having T-shirts because it's much more professional.
It's more professional. It looks nicer. It looks cleaner.
Yeah.
So that's the exact same reason why I wanted to get these T-shirts.
Yeah.
And another small happiness for me was that these are old T-shirts, but I actually want to make some new T-shirts with my logo which I have registered. It's a small happinesses in life. But I actually had my logo which has Karthik's pictures and it has that R mark. It's a very small thing, but it gives you immense happiness thinking that, okay, this is another small step.
Yeah.
So my journey through photography has been a lot of these small happinesses put together.
Yeah.
Another experience was when somebody contacted me to put up my work in the newspapers. I think that was like the biggest mind-blowing thing that has ever happened to me. Like since I was a kid, I would see these supplement papers of people sketching and drawing, and they would put up these, and I would be like, someday I want my work to be in the papers and my face to be in the papers. I think that's one of the biggest reasons I joined Bangalore Times as a photojournalist, just to see my work on paper. And my name there, that small crescent.
What is the obsession of humans with their names being there for long after they're gone also?
I think that's the whole thing of having an identity.
Yeah.
Like, maybe, once, see, a lot of these papers have gone online. Maybe it'll stay online, it might not stay online. But the idea that even after I'm gone, even after I'm not there on this planet, even if I'm like a dirt speck on this planet, my name might be there on something.
Yeah. It is like we cannot really run away from that, right? It is built in us. We want to preserve ourselves.
We want to be remembered. We want to have somebody or something, some point of memory to have there, I think that's probably one of the biggest driving forces for me. Like, when I had that moment when I've been very grateful to have very nice journalist friends who actually put up my photos and their papers and all that.
Yeah.
I think that was the point that changed my parents' attitude. To see my face and to see my work in the papers, it changed them into recognizing that their son was doing something. That being an engineer would not have ever helped or got him to this stage.
Engineers work like collectively. Artists work individually.
Correct.
Yeah. One more question. was the earning you were getting from this photography and all was more than
No
the
chance.
one?
Nothing. It was probably one third of what I was earning in my IT job.
Okay, but you were satisfied,
I was
content.
I was content. I'm still trying to be content.